I welcome you now for this maiden edition of our program, Everybody program. The program what they call Yarn Your Own, where they come from your Bonga TV station. My name now Unkubi. Nobody let me this studio. The pets will sit down in front of me, directly in front of me. Now, our auntie what they call Shapali.
Yes, sir.
Shapali, how you doing?
A day. On a door, people they watch us for house there.
And then next to Shapali, now the bros what they call BODO. Now they call him Bodo. Bodo, how you doing?
My brother, I say, this man is ever. I like him.
And then next to Bodo now, our little bros, we they call them little, but these bros they mighty, very mighty.
If you don't call little, my boy, call big straight. I did my people.
Yes,
I salute you now.
You're welcome.
Yes.
And then next to Big Bash, now our mama of the house. The person they call Iye.
Yes, sir.
Iye, how you doing?
My people,
I see say smile just full your face.
Every time,
Okay, before we enter into the major topic of today, make we first see this clip from Baba Tope with the entitled Tope's First Day at School. Will they come? What did you learn on your first day at school?
School. School is boring. I'm not going. They will not see me. They will not see me.
they will see you. Tope, you still have 16 good years of schooling.
No, I'm not going. They will not see me. I'm not going. No, I'm not going.
Young man,
I'm not going back.
young
I'm
man,
not going
you
back.
are going to that school whether you like it or not. Yes, welcome back. I hope not see that clip.
No, the place where I enjoyed for that clip, now that Bataria do Kokonka. Just what I wear. So I go school, so I get.
So, Kokoka.
No, they say.
Anyway.
When I see they go
Anyway. You see, the clip we will see now, now they bring us to the matter we want to talk today. And then the matter can be Pikin, Papa, Mama, school. That is, who will go blame if Pikin success, if Pikin not turn out well for school? So we go blame the mama? I will go blame the papa? I will go blame the school where the Pikin they go?
I don't think so. We go blame the school. We not fit blame the school.
Okay.
We not fit blame the teachers. Now the parents we go blame.
The parents.
Yes.
The parents.
Now the parents.
Me.
So wait, you said the parents. Give us reason why you say the parents.
Yes, it's the parent because those papa, mama, no day. You understand? To take care of that child. They're not there. Only for tell the child which way to go. You understand? But so and Pikin will go school. He only go school go learn. He go see come back house. So now the parents.
Okay, from your angle, who?
Me too want blame them because I know say ask my papa and mama for the thing. I know you sure saying I know today educated. So now he affects me. You understand?
Nothing now because if you see that that no just watch now. You see instead of papa and mama to talk how to teach their baby and how they go school.
Yes.
That they blame themselves.
They blame themselves. See, at least if not like three simple something we be saying if we teach me. Like maybe keeping tabs on kids, after school activities, make sure I'm supervised. Number 2, show your child you value learning, self-discipline and handwork. Number 3, encouraging progress in school. Showing interest in your child's schoolwork, the homework, go through them. The teachers, keep in touch with them, whether my Pikin know, whether they do well for school or no they do well. With this thing, my brother, make I finish. With this thing, even the teachers will tell you, say, the students were ready to learn are those who come to school with good social and behavior management skills.
Big Bash. Yes, Big Bash. Now, one point with that.
She una know say PS get an important role to play on the child.
On the child.
Yes.
Yes. So what do you hear the try tell us say Pikin mates, the kind group where they move around with.
Now the character.
But you where they talk say PS. May I ask you? Big Bash, I still they come to you. But may I first ask you this question? You talk say peers. Make we also ask ourselves. People where they 2 years, where they 3 years, where they 4 years, where they move around with Pikin of him mates. You want them to say those ones they enough, then get that this thing to take influence the Pikin's attitude or probably influence or say, you know, if you say they study well for school.
Now where the problem? Now where the problem?
This is that kind of thing.
You make me remember my son.
Okay.
Whenever I buy anything for him for house, hey, he go outside, go show him for in people. Say, see me, my mama buy this thing for me, my mama buy this. So the second one go in mama house. Go tell him mama, see so person. They have bought this thing for him. So my house.
You are the king with that begin. They will say age.
They be the same age.
Okay. Because they will say age. So you don't compare your beginning.
Now the mentality of the children be that. You understand?
I beg, when I give you this brief, Big Bad, I thought I was going to come to you.
Okay.
You mentioned a couple of things we parents supposed to observe.
Yes.
I can't they try reflect over. Shana, every parent get the right to take a Pikin through these processes. Because now you're going to ask, all parents know they're the same.
All parents know they're the same, but any parents when no ready to, as in when no they there to teach their children this kind of thing, they get somebody to do them. Example like housemaid. Because they employed housemaid to take care of their child, then give her money, then they go outside to work, to bring her money to finance their children into best schools.
Yes. The thing will be about talking at true. Because not all women get chance. Because some women maybe say if they go work, if before they come back, maybe in the night, if you hold up or something like that, hold them. Okay. So what they have to do, maybe
but
they
get also be a man. No, the responsibilities of women alone. Men they there.
Now, Papa,
wait, sharply, make I hear you talk.
Now there the problem dey.
Okay.
Bash just talk now say because they don't get time. Now it make them employ somebody.
Housemaid, yes.
Housemaid.
Yes.
That housemaid where they employ, this parent get time go check in background. No. Wait. Okay. Parents don't wake up 5 a.m. in the morning. You understand? They go work. By that time, the Pikin still sleep. You understand? But in the evening, hold up, hold on for road. If they come back around after 10, the Pikin don't sleep again. Now, how that kind of parent go know waiting they happen for him back when he know they? Waiting that kind of house help they teach that Pikin. See,
before they employ the housemaid, they ask them some question and they know where they come from.
Bash, make we tell ourselves some
Bash, because
some of these housemaid, they know about them before they employ them because they don't just pick them for mail.
If we should be a person, go bring and come.
Yes.
Wait, make I tell you the example of one of my friends where for in mind, he don't get housemaid. You understand? But thank God saying come put CCTV for house. He go work. The Pikin their house. And this person don't tire to monitor these children. Then this girl now come put one kind of film where we say, you know those kind of people they fight, they beat themselves. And these two children, because they watch this kind of movie, then they practicalize what they watch. So what do you want to for that one?
Now that housemaid, now that one,
not be all husband not the same. All husband not be the same. Yes. The talk of the one where you don't see. Somehow, husband will be say they train them well. Parents train them well.
Yes.
And so they behave very, very fine. So
yes.
If my place from my area, you get one of the system. If they say not be the woman born the husband, you don't agree.
But
how
the
husband if you cannot get 100% housemaid come, if you bring 100% housemaid down, now only 40% feel they loyal to you. You understand? Because when it's come to your children.
Sharply, may I ask you this question? I understand, say they try insist, say they're not supposed to leave kids in the hands of them. But wait now, they try to talk, say these parents are career parents. Especially if now mama and papa they work. You understand me? Okay, you go work. You want them to say, you don't encourage parents to work or wait.
Okay, so they support not working parents. When they don't work, when they don't sit down with their parents,
something has to come in place. Something has to replace, has to fill in these gaps. You understand? So that is why the idea of housemaid they come in.
Now let me tell you one thing. Do you know there's an idea that says as you lay your bed, so you lie on it?
Okay.
So as you train your Pikin, now so you go meet them. But I want these parents to remember that these are the future of tomorrow.
Yes.
These are the people that are going to represent you when you're gone. And now that kind of happen to these Boko Haram people now who they talk. Parents know they're there to educate them on the way of life. Parents know they're there to give them that care they need.
Okay.
You understand? And that is why they went out You understand? To look for solace. They went out to look for that care, and they got it all
the
wrong.
one where parents do, where they do everything for them, where show the
children wey wan learn go learn. Anyone wey no wan learn go turn.
Your illustration with Boko Haram no fitting for me, because everybody get aesthetic. Yes. Your illustration with Boko Haram no fall into place for me, because you know it in everybody gets background. No be everybody will come out from that set go through. You understand? Improper. You understand?
Do you know why I use them? You know I've been to the north, and I know what happened in the north, especially to the male child. Okay. They gave birth to them and abandoned them on the streets. Okay. Anyway, so that is why we're not supposed to abandon our own children.
That is their own. Now their own reason be that you know really consign us. Now the responsibility of our government to look into that angle of it. Anyway, what will happen now? We say we go enter market, come back. When we come back, we will continue this matter from where we stop. We could enter market. Yes, welcome back. The program now, Yarn Your Own. That program where they give now the opportunity to do it, to talk things where they in our mind as now one talker. And then the matter what they talk today, now the matter of Pikin. The turnout of Pikin for house or for school. Who will blame? Chena the papa, Abina the mama, Abina the school. And then our co-anchors here don't look at from different angles. People will talk say now parents they will blame. People will talk say now Pikin, say they no raise Pikin well. People will talk say maybe now group of friendship where they keep. Now they also cause them. So sharply we were on you before we go break. So what were you saying about this thing? So continue.
Yes, I was talking about parents abandoning their child. You understand? See, we need to take this in very serious. Children need parents need to stand up to their task. Okay. You understand? Okay. If we want a better future, they need to stand up. I know of a story recently that the little girl, the only gift she wanted from the parent is for the father to be there on her birthday. Okay. So for you to know that they are not there enough, okay, bring out 30%. Bring out children here now. Ask them questions. Where have your parents been? They've not. They've not been there.
Based on this, are we probably going to see this as criteria or probably as reasons that could affect a child's
it can affect the child.
No, he's academic and listen.
It can affect the child. That's what I'm saying. We can't blame.
There's a couple of things we also need to understand. Bear in mind that schools get role to play for this thing. Okay, would they blame parents? Would they blame parents? But what make us also understand is school where they raise Pikin, where they teach Pikin, need to do it in, teach Pikin well. For Pikin to also know do it in, understand what they teach them. Would they look at from the
okay, according to statistics, children spend 6 hours in the school.
Children spend 6 hours.
Wait now, they resume 8:30 in the morning and close by 2 p.m. in the afternoon. Okay. So what they spend the rest of their days? At home.
Okay.
Yes. So once they get home, nobody is there to caution them on what they do. So, nobody is there for them to say, okay, let me help you do your homework. Okay, that house operator says go employ. You don't want to get passed through secondary school, even go he passed through primary school at all.
But before they employ him, they don't look waiting they're capable of.
Not be all house help. Not be all house they don't know what they get they're capable of.
All these career parents, they don't feel bring us when no they educated.
Hold on, no vex. You will want to talk. May I hear you?
David said the house help go school.
Yes, some of them.
So if you send them go school because of your children, it's good now.
Not be all the parents who talk and they send their house and go school. Not be all because they don't say they don't start to get anything after the girl go school finish. Now the girl go school finish, now for your own pocket. Now it don't work for you for like 3 years. Now it move out of your house. So what you want to talk about that one?
Because of the children now.
Because anyone where they don't send go school, he must stay educated before they employ him.
I want to ask you a long question. Parents will say they go work. Maybe they don't do the work for they work for company or they work for government work. Maybe before they come out for work, maybe you go around maybe 7 or 8 o'clock. And Papa know they, Mama know they. How do you want them to do? No, that is the same method where they go train.
Now the same thing with me and you, now the same thing what they taught here.
So it is.
Now understand that from the angle of say, if anything what children turn out to be, me and telling you, that is the parent, they need to create time. No, let's be sincere.
For children, even the worst time, if the children don't sleep before they wake up, they got the right to wake them up and ask them, say, how this thing take. See, some of these things, now how they train them from child, now you go adapt to them when they don't go. Up, because some of them, when they don't go, now when don't they mature, when don't they for university, to read at night, go day hard for you.
So, but wait, I don't understand. What if they try talk?
No, they try
to make them wake them up.
If not to wake them sometime in the night,
as a child.
As a child.
Make them do it. Make them go through it. Make them go through reading.
No.
But is it right? No. A child is a child, no matter how old. Except it is when you grow up to become an adult, where you don't define yourself, say, I'll be adult. You feel they define your timing when you want to do something. But you get people where they...
I don't talk about small children. Okay. At least, the one where at least maybe like 5 years old, 6 years old.
Is this small? I don't about for 5 years old is so small.
It's too small.
That one we watch the talk make them up in the evening time. Me, I don't support that one.
Okay.
Because supposed to wake up the daily time.
The normal time.
So that you go know how they do your exam. No, but time we say, let's say, begin they get time. You will be saying
no, even there's a curriculum, Abi.
So you know the time where you can go reading books. You know the time where you begin go play. Every time where you begin go, you tell go and sleep so that the next day you go to school. So this is not the work of parents.
Anyway,
understand me?
Now the work of parents.
Yeah.
Sharply, you said it's not the work of parents.
Yes, they have a whole lot of role to play in the life of their children.
Okay.
A whole lot.
So on this ground now, we'll go quickly go for this segment what they call How We Do It segment. Where we'll go show now a clip of somebody will go do it, we go inspire now, we go inspire on now. So make we quickly go for this break. We'll go see this person what they talk about.
The definition of a disability is something that will hinder you from being able to do something. I think, though, the greatest disability is not having no arms and no legs. The greatest disability is your mind, the choices that you make. The question is, are you going to make the right choices? Are you going to make the choice to have your life in its right perspective? Are you going to make the choice to get up instead of give up?
On How We Do It segment, we dey focus on one ogbonge person wey im name na Nick Vujicic. They born Nick for the obodo wey dem dey call Melbourne for Australia in 1982. They born am with one kind of sickness wey dem dey call tetra amelia. Oyinbo dey call am syndrome. This syndrome deny Nick both arms and leg. According to Nick, na shock this thing be to his parents say they born am without limbs. When in the 8 years, he say he no sure whether in future go better. Na him come make him try to kill himself. He no finish from there. Nick come say he struggle both mentally, emotionally, even physically. His mama come say them no go always dey there for him. Nick come kukuma accept say na so in life go be. The time where he come dey for secondary school, they come choose him as class captain for their class. He do the class captain work well. Now what he can give a mind to motivate people. The time when he happy pass, when make him say he go be a motivational speaker. Now when he talk to 300 grade students and he not take him 3 minutes before half of these guests where they the crowd turn they cry. As he finish the talk, now him one of the girls come meet him, come give her one strong hugging for inspiring them. Nick talk say this action where this girl carry out can inspire them to motivate people more and more.
What I've seen in life are just a couple key principles, and the first thing that I've seen is to be thankful. It's hard to be thankful, man. I tell you, when I was 8 years old, I sort of summed up my life and thought, I'm never going to get married. I'm not going to have a job. I'm not going to have a life of purpose. What what kind of a husband am I going to be if I can't even hold my wife's hand? It's a lie to think that you're not good enough. It's a lie to think that you're not worth anything.
Nick level for motivational speaking don't carry him go 44 countries inside 5 continents, and him don't inspire more than 3 million people. Nick they happily married to the lady where then they call Colonel Miara, and the two of them get one fine boy. You go interest una to know say Nick they do different thing, even with the small comma where he gets. In the cook, in the swim, and even type for computer pass people waiting say them they fast with their 2 hands. To add to this young man credit, Nick don't write different books, and they include Life Without Limits, Unstoppable, Stand Strong, and Limitless. Apart from this, Nick gets different awards. To round up, Nick get this one to tell you now. No matter what you be, no matter where you waka come from, no matter the kind of thing where you they do, just stay inspired. Make you dream big and not even give up. All of us, they make mistake, but nobody be mistake for this world. On this note, we go end the segment on how we do it.
Yes, welcome back. And the program still beyond your own. And now see that segment we'll go show now. Now segment we'll go do it. We'll go also inspire now, so that now if you know as life they take be for some people, we don't decide to do it. We don't decide to take the bull by the horn. Sharply, I better quickly tell our viewers where if they don't need to at least connect with us.
Our viewers when they watch us for house, if una get comment, they'll be say una self won't be part of this. Una won't comment. Now one self una comment come. Una want more read una comment. Una tweet out to people. Simply go to our Facebook page. Will be www.facebook.com/Wazobia TVNG, and if not for Twitter, twitter.com/Wazobia TVNG.
Okay. And you get another thing we want to tell them.
And if you want to be part of this our program, if you don't say you get what you know, say you feel help people market. Don't say we are as this program there it is somehow dry. We want to make you bring your market come. We help you advertise them. Thank you.
Okay, now don't hear them. If not get anything when I want to do it when I want market, make now bring on here. Yes. This place now a better platform when I will feed do it when I will feed advertise our product. So make we quickly round up this matter. Sharply. If you go advise, okay, make I know even start from you. If you go advise our viewers who they watch us, what do you want to tell them based on what we don't talk about here?
My people for house, only to more kole fun oni simi. Ile, thank you. Let's say make you train your child very well so that tomorrow you go sit down tangba to eat waiting the Pikin do.
Okay. So big bash.
Me I don't get much to talk, Sha, but the parents, if na career parent, I beg, the housemaid way na go employ, make be educated one, we go fit take care of the children, and na make na at least spend some little time with na children, I beg.
Okay. Make na spend some little time with na children, and na hear am. So BODO, Podo.
My brother, before I talk my own, no, I go speak my language. Nana, because Zoom one of my. What did I mean by the Nana? You said you know not to talk. I
will not hear.
Nobody.
I beg, parents, I beg. Man, they train when I begin well low. So then I
the meaning of it talk for you.
And I talk to you. As you they look me.
We know you now, so you need to translate that. Yes.
So I think I tell you, people who watch us, I beg, parents, I beg, not to take care of your parents to do them what they want to talk when I wait down.
Sharply.
Yes.
Sharp.
Thank you, sir. You give me the last mic. Parents and employee. Because we don't talk here since na career parents. employee and parent, please, wanna find time, wanna bring this time when they resume, wanna bring and come down small. They don't want to take clothes, wanna bring and come up so that they go feel they get time for their children. These children are their future. They are the heritage of tomorrow. Please take care of them.
I don't hear them from all of them. So from us here, now here we go end today's matter of yarn your own. Until we carry another get topic come our way again next week. From all of us where they here, we say, make una do it, make now.
Make una go buy Gario.
Well done.